We got the ass whipper in the house tonight. You better go to bed, 'cause she don't mind whipping your ass. Cut that ass. Cut that ass. Cut that ass. Cut that ass. We got the ass whipper in the house tonight. We got the ass whipper in the house tonight. And she don't mind. I said she don't mind. She don't mind whipping your ass. She don't mind. She don't mind whipping. I say whipping your ass. Whip. She don't mind. Boy, you better take your ass to sleep before you get your ass whipped again. You better go to sleep before you get your ass whipped again. Boy, he say don't care about getting his ass whipped, man. Come on with another cut. Yes, you did. You said I don't mind getting my ass whipped. So we got the ass whipping in the house tonight. Oh, better lay down. Good night. Man, my singing ain't got nothing to do with it. Take your ass to sleep. That's how we do around here, Third Eye TV.